Well, I finished system number 2. Right now I've got it charging on a 100 watt flexible solar panel. I took my battery, put it in a group 31 case, put terminals on the top of it, hooked it up on inside obviously. I'm going to add a disconnect switch over here later when I get a chance. I also added a USB port, which you can see is lit up right at the moment, and a 12 volt cigarette lighter socket. I'm charging right now at 13.56 volts. I have a 100 volt 30 amp charge controller and a 12 volt fuse block assembly along with a 1000 watt inverter, which works. The system puts out power. I'm running a heat gun on AC voltage, works fine. That's it. Not too shabby. Now to put it in the camper.